Welcome today to our Edible Science. Thanks for joining us for this virtual program. What we're going to do today is we're going to make bobo tea, or you might have heard of bubble tea. That's the more common way to say it. And bubble tea can have the actual tea in it, or it can have fruit. And our version is going to have fruit in it. So you can watch. If you want to get the supplies later on, you can. But I just wanted to tell you a little bit of the science of it. So bobo tea or bubble tea has these really big, they're not that big, but bigger than a pea size tapioca beads. So that's what makes it so much fun. And then you get those big straws and you can suck it up with the yummy liquid with it. And I just wanted to share a little bit. We have this wonderful book at our library called Kitchen Science Lab for Kids Edible Edition. And it gives us a little bit of the background of tapioca and how it is made for our bubble tea. So it says the science behind the food. It says tapioca is made from the starchy root of the plant Manihot escalante, commonly called manioc or cassava. The root is peeled, ground, soaked, and roasted to remove poisonous compounds, and gelatinous tapioca is collected during the process. The tapioca is processed to create uniform pearls and then dried. To make the tapioca the right consistency for bubble tea, it must be rehydrated using water. Boiling allows water to enter the carbohydrate mix matrix to form the chewy boba jellies that everyone loves. So that's a little bit more. I didn't know this about boba tea and the way that tapioca is made and those big pearls that we get to drink. So enjoy watching this, and if you get to try to do this at home, please share a photo or some comments. We'd love to hear how it goes. We need tapioca pearls, the big black ones, and we got this package from Amazon. We're going to sweeten those with honey. We're going to add a mixture that's going to be blended together in the blender, so your blender, and then we are going to put in the blender milk, and we're going to put the berries, mixed berries, and ice, which is in the bowl on the front. First, what you want to do is you want to boil 10 cups of water, and then once it starts boiling, which it's starting to do, you can add the tapioca balls that look like this into the mixture. And then you can boil it for about 7 to 10 minutes and stir occasionally. You should wait till all the tapioca balls are floating on the top. The longer you cook it, the more they float to the top. And this is a few minutes into it and it's already floating, but we're going to wait another about 5 minutes. After cooking, you carefully, with pot holders or even get an adult's help if you need to, take the hot liquid with the tapioca pearls and bring it over to the sink and pour into a colander. So while you're waiting for your bobo pearls to get cooled off, then you would want to add the ingredients into a blender to make the fruit part that you're going to add as part of the mixture. So the first thing that you can add is your fruit, and we have a mixed fruit, berries. You can choose whatever you like for fruit. And you can add 1 cup of ice and milk. And then you also want to sweeten this mixture. If you want, you can add some honey. So we're adding another tablespoon or so of honey. Okay, now you can put your pearls, tapioca pearls, in a different bowl. They might stick. And then what you can do is you can add your honey or some other sweetener just to your pearls to make it taste better. Some other sugar. We're adding honey. A tablespoon and a half. Honey is fine to sweeten your pearls. Now you can get 3 different containers and divide the black tapioca pearl beads amongst the 3 glasses. Now you're going to add the fruit mixture into all 3 glasses.